Today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your listing, what to do, what settings to select so that you can optimize your listing and get your sales. I do have a link for you guys down below in the description box. If you use my link and open your Etsy shop, you actually get 40 listings for free, which is an incredible deal. So 40 listings for free if you use my link down below in the description box and you're just going to open your shop. So here we are in Etsy and I'm going to show you my shop manager. Then we're going to go to listings. Up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see add listing. Now here is where you're going to add your listing. So I have a lot of this already pre-set up. So I'm just going to drag in my thumbnail for the listing. Then I also have two other images that I add to all of my digital downloads. This is something you can add. You don't have to. It's just saying that it's an instant download and then a keep in touch, so that they can get my information to follow me on YouTube, on my main channel, or Instagram, and my website, just to get some more viewership. And then the thumbnail, it does change a little bit. So I'm just going to drag it down so that they can see the top, because that's the most important part, the $1,000 challenge. And we're going to hit save. Okay, so this is going to be a preview of what the printable looks like, which looks great. You can add a video. I haven't added any videos yet, but you could totally do that if you wanted to. Next, the title. So I have a printable here that's actually very similar that I'm going to take this information and I'm just going to tweak it. So this is a money savings challenge. So we're going to save $1,000. I don't know. We can't do dollar signs in it. So save $1,000. It's not in 30 days. It's a save $1,000 challenge. Savings tracker, savings planner. So I like to add a couple keywords in here just to optimize search in Etsy. Okay, about this listing, who made it? I made it. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? I made it in 2020, 2021. So what category? Let me see what category I did previously. I like to keep them consistent. So I did templates. So templates is right there. And then it's going to give you some options of what to do for templates. None of these really apply. So I am just going to do, let me see if there's a printables. Printables are so often now. Let's do calendars and planners. Okay, so then choose a primary color. It doesn't really have a color, so I am just going to do green, not orange, green, because that's what the thumbnail is. That doesn't really matter. If you're doing like a physical product or it does have a color, then you can add that as well. Occasion, this doesn't have a occasion. Holiday doesn't have a holiday. Okay, renewal options. This is really important. So these are digital downloads. So if you want, you can manually renew your listings, but then you'll have to do it yourself and they could expire. Or you can do the lazy way, which is automatic, which means that they're automatically going to renew, but you have to pay 20 cents for each listing. To me, that is totally worth it. That makes this passive and it makes it so that I don't have to go ahead and do it. What type of products? Is it a physical product? This is something that you're going to be physically mailing out. So whether that be jewelry or stickers or a piece of art or a mug, whatever it is that you sell, or digital. And I'm doing digital, which I love because it is super passive and they just answer themselves and they just get the download after they make the purchase. Next is description. So I am going to just copy and paste this one that I have and then tweak it. Whoa, hello. Okay, so handy, save $1,000. Handy, save $1,000. Money saving challenge printable. Helps you save good. All right. Savings over whatever time frame you choose. Use this tracker to save $1,000. Saving $1,000 may sound really hard, especially if you aren't using money. the savings challenge. That looks great. That looks great. All right, everything else looks good. Then down at the bottom here, I have more of my Etsy shop, and I also have for more motivation, follow my main channel on YouTube because I have a personal finance channel and it applies to this. Okay, add a production partner. We don't have a production partner. Selection. So I have easy budget templates, and then I also have printables. So I'm going to select printables. Now tags. So this is really important. You can select up to 13 tags. So I'm going to do printable tracker savings challenge, save money, money saving, printable. Okay, it's important to try and max these out. Materials, there's no materials that are used. All right, price. So I am pricing this at $2.50. Quantity. So this is really important. So quantity, typically you're going to think one quantity because it's one for $2.50. But really you want to do 999 because if you did one and then after the first one, it would just sell out. So you want to do max it out 999. That's the max you can do. It's just 3 digits. And then you can add a SKU if you want. You don't have to. That's just for you and your personal record keeping. Personalization, this is if you want to be able to customize it. And I put off for that because it is supposed to be passive. Digital files, now we can okay, so now we're just going to drag and drop $1,000 challenge PDF. And then we can upload up to 5 different downloads. We can do PDFs, we can do JPEGs, PNGs, anything you want. So you can do up to 5 different files. Then let's publish. Are you sure about to publish? There's non-refundable fee of 20 cents for each listing. Now, if you use my link, you're going to get your first 40 listings for free, so you wouldn't have to pay this 20 cents. So we're going to publish. Now your listing is active. So here it is. Oh, let me show you on my shop. View on Etsy. So here is a listing, Money Savings Challenge. And as you scroll through, you can see the different pictures. So it's an instant download. I like having this just to show no physical product will be shipped to you. And then my little keep in touch here for YouTube, Instagram, and then my website as well. And then here's the description. Super easy. And there you go. That is how you upload a digital product to Etsy. If you're interested, I do have a course by a friend of mine, Sharon, who teaches you how to make $1,000 in passive income on Etsy by selling digital downloads, which is exactly what I sell. And she is the master Etsy. As you can see, $29,000 here. She is just incredible. So I'll have a link to this course down below if you are interested. Trust me, it is so valuable, so much information in this course. It's awesome. So it'll be linked down below in the description box.